In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise to transfer money internationally. Whether you're sending money to family overseas or paying for services abroad, Wise offers a straightforward process that ensures your money gets where it needs to go, safely and with low fees. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Wise homepage. You can access this by simply typing in wise.com into your browser's navigation bar. Knowing your way around their site is the first step to a successful transfer. Once you're on the Wise homepage, look for the option labeled Send and click on it. This will take you to the section of the site dedicated to making international transfers. Next, you'll need to select the region where you want to send the money. This is an important step as it ensures that the currency conversion is calculated accurately. After choosing the region, it's time to type in the amount you'd like to transfer. Wise allows you to see the current exchange rate and any fees up front, providing transparency on what you can expect on the receiving end. Now, you'll move forward by clicking on Add Recipient. This action prompts you to add the details of the person or business you wish to send money to. You'll again see an option to Add Recipient. This step ensures that you have the correct option selected, whether you're sending funds to a new recipient or an existing contact. Wise offers a variety of methods for sending money. You might feel a bit overwhelmed, but for now, head over to See All Options. This will show you the variety of ways through which you can send your international transfer. From the options available, select Pay by Email. This method is often the most convenient, as it only requires the recipient's email address, making it quick and easy to facilitate a transfer. Now, you'll choose someone else from the given options. This confirms that funds are being sent to an individual other than yourself. With that selected, it's time to type in the recipient's email, ensuring no typos are present. This email is where Wise will send instructions on how to receive the payment. Following the email, provide the recipient's full name. This ensures the transfer is linked to the correct individual. Once you've filled in these details, click on Continue. This button will move you forward in the process. The next page will prompt you for the reason for your transfer. This could be for goods, services, or a personal gift, among other options. Select an option about the transfer's purpose by clicking on Select an Option. This helps Wise make sure that your transaction is in line with their policies. After selecting the reason, you'll be prompted to click on Continue once again to proceed to the final stages of your transaction. Before you finalize your transaction, you will click on Confirm and Send. This is your last chance to review all the details before committing. At this point, Wise will ask for your password to authorize the transaction. This secures your account and ensures that only you can send money from your account. Finally, click on Done, and your money is on its way. Wise will handle the rest, and you can track the transfer directly on their platform. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your international money transfers a breeze.